Hey guys, what's up? It's Maritza. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a Christmas theme look. This is a candy cane queen. So if you want to see how I got this look right here, keep watching and I hope you enjoy the video. Starting out with the eyes, I'm taking this palette from Luminous Cosmetics. It's their Strength palette, and I'm taking the red shade in there on a small tapered brush, and I am packing that on my crease area. And then I am taking a fluffier brush and blending that out. Taking some concealer, I am cutting out my crease. And I'm also setting that with some translucent powder. Then I'm taking some lash glue and some red glitter, and I am lining that crease line with that glitter. Using my Mehron Makeup Paradise paints, I'm taking the white and putting some wing liner. Taking red, I'm putting little stripes in the liner to make it a candy cane. And I'm also aligning the top of the liner with red. Taking the same red paint, I am filling in my eyebrows with that. For lips, I'm using this Velvet Liquid Lipstick from Kylie Cosmetics. I'm going to come back to the lips a little bit later. Taking the same red shade from the palette, I am putting some underneath my eye and blending it out as well. I take some white eye pencil from NYX and align my waterline. Using the same red, I put some color into my cheeks and also contour my nose with that. I'm also putting some of that red on my forehead as well. Taking some more white paint, I'm doing some white dripping streaks coming down my forehead. And I'm also doing the same thing with red. And I'm taking some white and putting some stripes into my lips as well. And then I do little white dots in the inner corner of my eyes and also little freckles in white on my cheeks and nose. And then I'm doing the same thing that we did to our forehead on the chest area, so doing white and red streaks coming down the neck. And then I do little white dots around the neck and the forehead area. And also do some little dots with red on the chest as well. I go back and redo the paint on my lips since it faded away a little bit, and I'm also covering my eyelashes with white paint as well. And that is it for this look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this look and this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Let me know what Christmas looks you guys want to see next, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!